In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit an interface in Airtable. Airtable is a powerful tool for organizing information, but customizing it to fit your specific needs can make it even more effective. So let's walk through the process of editing an interface in Airtable together. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to make the adjustments you need with confidence and ease. First, you'll want to open your Airtable base. This is essentially where all your information is stored and organized. To do this, navigate to Airtable via your browser or desktop application and access the specific base that contains the interface you want to modify. Make sure you're on the base that houses the particular data and layouts you intend to work with. Next, you'll need to locate the Interfaces tab. This tab is found at the top of your base screen. Clicking on it will present you with a variety of options related to any interfaces associated with your base. Here you'll see several categories: existing interfaces you've already created, drafts that you might be working on, and shared interfaces that you have access to. Now you should decide which interface you want to edit. Click on the name of the interface you wish to modify. Once you've selected it, you'll be given a couple of ways to dive into the editing process. You can either click directly on an edit button, or alternatively, select the pencil or edit icon found in the top right corner of the screen. Either of these actions will open up the Interface Designer, which is where the magic happens. Opening the Interface Designer equips you with the tools necessary to customize the layout to your liking. Here you have the opportunity to make a range of adjustments. For starters, you can rearrange sections within the interface to better suit your workflow. If certain components feel overcrowded or out of place, resizing them can help create a more balanced and easy to navigate layout. Furthermore, if you need to expand your interface, adding new pages is straightforward and can significantly enhance how you manage information. Lastly, adjusting the navigation helps ensure quick and intuitive access to the most important sections of your interface. That's it. With these steps, you're well prepared to tailor your Airtable interface to better meet your needs, creating an efficient and personalized system for managing your data. Whether you're redesigning the layout, adding new functionalities, or simply optimizing what's already there, these customizations can have a significant impact on your productivity. Remember, taking the time to thoughtfully arrange your Airtable interface can transform it from a simple data repository into a dynamic and responsive tool tailored just for you.